KEYKIDZ campaign brings to you an online theatre and presentation. It is based on a famous story, An Elephant and Blind.
As we present this and you all enjoy it, don't miss the important message it brings along.
An elephant, everybody come see it. It's coming. Everybody come out and see the elephant.
I don't know how it looks like.
Even I don't know.
Me neither. But I would like to know how an elephant looks like.
Let's wait so we can touch it.
We will touch it with our own hands, our finger, our eyes.
Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. There's a big elephant passing through. Please be careful. Good man. Please let the four blind men touch the elephant. They want to know how it looks like. Fine. Come here and touch him. He's not dangerous. Don't be afraid.
It's smooth and soft. The body looks like a ball.
No, you all are wrong. It's tall and broad. The elephant feels like a tree.
You all are making stories. This elephant is slippery and curvy. It is like a snake. You guys don't know how an elephant looks like. Let me tell you. I think the elephant looks like a rope, and I'm going to tie you all with it.
You are completely wrong. I also touched it and I'm sure it's a hand fan. My finger felt it was moving. And my fingers don't lie to me.
Okay. You all are pushing me around. But wait, I have not been able to touch the elephant, but I can smell that is like poop. All the same time, no one will say that I am wrong. Take this. Ouch, ouch. But I am right. Who hit me? Ouch, my back. Ah.
Ouch. Calm down. Listen. Quiet, listen. We'll explain you. Each of you only touched the part of the elephant. The one who touched the body that thought it was the wall. The one who touched the leg thought it was the tree. The one who touched the tusk that thought it was a spear. The one who touched the ear thought it was an elephant. The one who touched the trunk remembered a snake. And the one who only could touch the tail was sure the elephant was like a rope. How can you all tell correctly without knowing completely?
Oh, yes. We got angry and started fighting without even knowing the complete thing.
Oh. We thank you and the elephant to teach us that it's better to listen.
Yes, everyone might have something valuable which will make us know things better. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.